So this thing is a gelatin-based salad. The recipe comes from a cookbook from 1958. It looks utterly disgusting. I'm about to find out what it tastes like. But before I do, here's a look at how I made it. Hello and welcome back to Deliciously Awkward. Usually I'm really excited to make these videos and I'm eager to share my love of food with everyone, but today, not so much. Reason being, if you saw my last video, I looked through this weird book of salad recipes from 1958, and I stupidly agreed to pick a random recipe and make it. So that's what we're doing here today, and it's having a lot of regrets. So the recipe that I landed on is this thing. It's called Perfection Salad. That picture, I said in the previous video, it looks like, solidified vomit. Yeah, so not looking forward to this one at all, but I'm a man of my word, so I'm gonna make this. All right, so you know the drill, perfection salad, blah, 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 let's go make it awkward, yada, yada, yada. So usually when I cook, I do no prep work beforehand. I like doing everything in real time to just show you the effort that goes into everything. There are too many cooking shows and videos where it's like, okay, 1 cup of chopped pepper and oh, here it is. But no, I like showing you exactly what it takes to make the recipe and not having things just magically appear. Today's different. I'm really not looking forward to making this. I don't want to spend more time than I have to. And if I was cutting everything in real time, that's a lot more time I'd have to spend editing the video. I don't expect anyone to make this. I would not recommend making this. I'm probably the only person in the last 30 or 40 years to make this. So I took the easy way out. All right, so starts with 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of boiling water. Already smells disgusting. How is that possible? Just gelatin, sugar, salt, and water. Half a cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Yeah, it smells so bad already. I don't understand why. Okay, it says to cool, so I'll be back in a few minutes, I guess. So I think our vinegar and gelatin mixture has cooled down sufficiently. It's starting to thicken, and it seriously smells disgusting. It's making me nauseous because it literally smells like vomit. So let's just do this thing. So it is 1.5 cups of cabbage, and then 1 cup of celery, half a cup of green pepper, and 1/4 cup of chopped pimento. All right, so let's mix this. Okay, now we pour it into a loaf pan. That sounded disgusting. I don't know if the microphone will pick that up, but it sounded like a toilet noise. It just says chill firm. It's chill until firm. Doesn't say anything about wrapping it. But I'm gonna put plastic wrap on this. I don't want this stinking up the rest of my refrigerator. So yeah, I'll get this chilled and try it in a few hours. Okay, so the salad seems to be ready. The gelatin has fully gelatinized. I think that's a word. So thankfully it does not smell anywhere nearly as bad as it did before. It actually smells kind of pleasant now. It smells like a real salad with fresh vegetables and vinegar. Now, let's try molding this thing. Yeah, I figured that might be an issue. Try running a knife. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm about to cut myself a slice of salad, which is probably the first and last time I ever say that sentence. It's so nasty. Let me try to get a piece with minimal gelatin. Wait, here it goes. Okay. It was not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but that's still pretty bad. The taste is okay. It has sugar, so it kind of tastes like health salad, like cabbage stuff with cucumber. That texture is just really off-putting. Just a squishy vinegar flavored Jello. Nothing good about that. So I'm still recovering from that bite. Yeah, so I can't recommend anyone trying this. It's just way too weird. So hope you enjoyed watching this video and watching me torture myself. But yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else there is to say. Just embrace the awkward, including the salad, and I'll see you next time.